Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Once again, guys, Mr. Atik is here, and this is a week 15, and this lecture will be showed to you guys for the Tuesday. Okay, coming Tuesday, we have to solve this sheet, Unit 3. Lesson 2. We solved Unit 3 Lesson 1 for the Sunday lecture before. Now this is for the Tuesday lecture. Remember, week 15 we are going to follow. Okay, this is Unit 3 Lesson 2. Let's start. Question 1. Choose the letter of the best answers again. The periodic table of the element is divided by a line that zigzags along the right side. It's okay. Zigzag along the right side. Look at this is zigzag. Which of the following is true for most of the elements that lie along the zigzag line? Number A, they are metals. Number 2, they are metalloids, of course. C, they are non-metals. D, they are transition metals. So the option is they are metalloids. The segment of the periodic table below shows the element in group 1 through 9 from 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay, group 1 to 2 through group 9. Okay, look, it says which pair of elements are in the same group? Rubidium and cesium, calcium and titanium. This is lithium and barium. This is sodium and magnesium. Look at now, search RB, rubidium and cesium. Yes, we have this is R and this is cesium. RB and cesium, rubidium and cesium. Look at it lies in one or in the first group or in the same group. Okay, look at rubidium and cesium. Number 3, which properties most likely belongs to a metal? As we studied in the properties of metals, ductiles and malleable. Okay, they are ductile and malleable. Then understand. Now we have a diagram here. The diagram, this one. What makes the shaded unique? This shaded area unique. They are all metalloids. That's why, like barium. Okay, this is boron. This is cesium, gallium, and like this. Okay, they are all metalloids. Okay. The 5th one. The segment of the periodic table below shows the elements in group 1 through 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do the element magnesium, calcium have in common? They have the same number of valence electrons. That's why they are common. Okay. Metals are often used to make posts and pans for cooking. Of course, which property of metals makes them useful for this purpose? They are shiny, they are brittle, they can be drawn into wires, or they are good conductors. Of course, good conductors. Okay, pans and pots, they're good conductors like metals of thermal energy. Now for the 7th, the diagram shows this one, a portion of the periodic table. What property makes some of the shaded elements useful in electronic equipment such as computers? Number A, they are brittle and can break into small pieces easily. B, they are gases at room temperature, so they are light in weight. Number C, they have a complete set of valence electrons and do not react. D, they can be made of to conduct electricity under certain conditions. So the D option is correct. Okay. For the 8th option, zinc Zn is located directly to the left of gallium Ga on the periodic table. The atomic number of gallium is 31. 31. What is the atomic number of zinc? This is 30. Okay, between. The periodic table has a lots of information in the form of letters and numbers. The information is organized into boxes which are placed in rows and stacked in columns. Which of the following does each box represents? A. Group. B. A period. C. An element. D. A compound. Which describes how elements are arranged in the periodic table? A. By chemical symbol, by increasing atomic mass, sorry. Number C, by increasing atomic numbers, of course, by increasing atomic numbers. Okay. By alphabetical order names. No. So for 11th, this is the periodic table structure again for you guys. In the periodic table, find the element with the average atomic mass of 87.62. Find it. It lies between rubidium and cesium, okay, by the way. It lies between the rubidium and cesium, okay. Take care. So this is SR. Yeah. Chemical symbol of SR. This was the question. Okay, SR. Look at this one, eh? This is the SR. What is true about the position of all metals in the periodic table? They are in the first group, they are in the bottom period, they are in the rightmost column, they are to the left of the zigzag line. The prefix semi means partly, of course. Based on your knowledge of the properties of elements, which kind of element is most likely used to make semiconductors? A. Liquids. B. Metals. C. Metalloids. D. Non-metals. Metalloids, okay? What do elements in the same group of the periodic table have in common? Of course, they have similar chemical properties. Okay? They have similar chemical properties. The entry for one element in the periodic table is shown below. What is the element's chemical symbol? Look at Ca, calcium. This is the symbol, okay? Remember, calcium is the name. This is atomic mass and this is atomic number. So Ca is the chemical symbol of calcium. Okay? For the 16th option, we have, if you know the atomic number of an element and the element's position in the periodic table, what can you determine about the elements? A. The atomic mass of the element, the atomic number of neutrons in an atom of the element, the mass number of any element to the left or right of the element, the atomic number of any element to the left or to the right of the element. As a general rule, elements in group 18 do not form compounds. Consider the following section of the periodic table. Look at it. Which of the following explain why elements are in group 18 and do not readily form compounds or form compounds? These elements are very reactive. These elements are very unreactive. These elements are within the same period. These elements have the same atomic number. No, these elements are very unreactive. Okay? This was the correct option. This was the Tuesday lecture of week 15. Fi aman Allah. And we will study inshallah for the Wednesday lecture as well. Thank you so much.